Hello everyone, super quick one for you this week because my kids are on holiday for half term and the house is absolute chaos. So I'm just taking this little slither of time that they popped out to put this video together. So, cue the intro. So I've seen a lot of people asking the question over the last few weeks, and that is, how do you force desktop? No, how do you force... So I've seen a lot of people asking the question over the last few weeks, and that is, how do you force mobile menu on a desktop? So basically have the hamburger menu in the top, one of the top corners, which you press, and then the menu slides out from the side. So a lot of people are under the impression that this is quite difficult to do, that it takes loads of code, and it doesn't. It's quite easy to do in some templates. I haven't gone back over some of the old templates to see if they have the option. So if you don't see this on your template, then sorry. So if we jump into Squarespace, we'll take a look at what to do. So if we go to design and then site styles, and then all we're going to be doing really is changing the mobile breakpoint to cover every screen size imaginable. So if we just click onto search and we just want to look for mobile breakpoint. So you see, we grab the handle on this, we can take it up to 1280 is the maximum we can go there. Now this is a big screen, so you can see that it hasn't made a blind bit of difference on here. So what we need to do is just override that. So if we just click on the amount of pixels, and then we can just put this up to a big amount. Let's just put 6000 and then hit save. And then you can see that we've got our mobile menu then. So if we just come back, get a full demo of it. Plop that up, open that. There we go, we've got our mobile menu forced onto desktop now. So there we go, it's as simple as that, forcing the mobile menu on a desktop. So I will be back to my full length normal tutorials next week when the house is a bit calmer, and yeah, so there we go. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave us a thumbs up below. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. See ya.